Hello viewers, here is a Holmes Blizzard 8-inch, maybe 7-inch, 2-speed oscillating table fan. This fan was a perfect one to pick out for this video, and it's pretty in pretty good condition. I mean, wow. I've had this fan for years. There's our tripod kick for the video. This thing is always wanting to fall out of my hand. Model HAOF, which that's Holmes Air Oscillating Fan 87 electric fan. One 120 volts AC, 60 cycle, 0.5 amps. I got this fan for my birthday a few years ago, and it's been a really good fan all these years, and it works perfectly still. All I had to do to it was, the cleaning and servicing. And of course, I gave it some oil while I was in it. Whoa. I think we just cracked something on the fan. Wait. No, we didn't. Everything's fine. Let's turn this super loud fan on. Hook up the Variac and turn this super loud fan on. Well, it's not hooked up yet, but there's a couple of my box fans and a HAOF fan in the middle. It's a Sears. All my other box fans are out in the shop. And let's go ahead and hook this fan up. Alright, we are testing at 119. Let's zoom in on that. We are testing at 118.7 the volts, 60 cycles. Let's go to, well, what is going on here? You can't even see it. There we go. We're on amps. You could barely see it, but there was all the amps. Let me take the microphone off so you can hear how loud this fan is. All right. The switch is on the back here. It's 2-speed. Let's turn this loud fan on. We'll start with high. Oh my goodness, that is so loud. Let's see how much electricity it's wasting. It is on high, it is wasting 0.475 amps. With a power factor of 0.48. And it's wasting 27.4 the watts. And power factor is 0.48. Whoa. I did not want it. I did not want it oscillating at this time, but I guess it's going to. What? What the? What? Alright, I got the speeds figured out. This is low. It's wasting 0.380 the amps with a power factor of 0.50, 0.549. Well, 0.49. Duh. And it's wasting 23.0 watts, 22.7. There's that. Let's see if we can turn the oscillator off. Whoa. This thing grinds gears every time you turn the oscillator off. Let's do a spin down. Whoa. It just ground a gear. After I just changed speeds. This is high. And turn it off. Wow. That is a really good spin down. That's a really good spin down. April Fools. Subscribe.